Hey, what's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having a great day, enjoying yourselves out there in the last few days of some remaining in summer. But today, we're going to be doing a demo and a review of a particular wireless stand charger. My problem is I have this Yootech X3 charger. I purchased this about 5 years ago. But then again, technology changed, batteries got bigger, and it no longer fits the purpose of why I purchased this for. And about a week or two ago, I started hearing noise coming out of it from back here. It just wasn't running properly. The LED light was not coming on when I actually tried to place phones onto it. So I didn't know what was going on. So I took the liberty to swap it out and get a new model. And the new model I went with is the same brand. It's Yootech X2. This one right here, the X3, you would think is actually the upgraded model from the X2, but it's the opposite way around. This one is a regular USB, the small USB. The X3 is USB-C, so it has the capability to charge bigger batteries, and that actually comes in clutch as well. It's noise resistant, is case resistant, and when it actually it doesn't overcharge when your device charge gets to capacity, it automatically stops charging the device in question, which is also a great feature to have because this one will actually keep running all the way through, burning your battery out, burning cells out of your battery and stuff, because obviously this is older technology. Like I mentioned before, this is 5 years old. So the new one I just got is actually a much better one. It fits my lifestyle right now and all the electronics that I do have that needs to be charged. So you every now and again you gotta upgrade. And I'm also gonna leave the link in the description below. Don't forget, if you guys are looking for one, feel free to check it out. It'll be in the description below. Enjoy this video and let's get into it. All right, guys. This is the Yootech wireless charging stand. That's the older one that I have. If you look here, it's a typical wireless charging stand, but the only difference is from the old one to the new one, this one is a regular USB wireless charger. So it's starting to actually give out. So it's not working the way it used to. It's making noises from time to time, and it doesn't charge any of my electronics at all. So, for example, if I was able to put this on there, it should be charging it, but the tablet is not charging in any way, shape, or form, and you don't see the light come on anymore. And I can't seem to understand what's the reason behind all of that, what's causing it. So therefore, I figure this is much older. I just got this tablet. I haven't even gotten a chance to put a case on it yet. And this tablet requires USB-C to charge it. This is also an amazing tablet. I'll also do a review on this as well coming down the line. But yeah, this is no longer serving any of my purpose anymore. As you can see, it's a Yootech or Yootech, whichever one they call it, however they call that. The model number is X3. It's a wireless charging stand, like I mentioned earlier, but it's not coming on, it's not working, it's plugged in and everything. It's just not working. It's complete paperweight. So I'm gonna go ahead and dispose of that one and get me the new one. do the unboxing and review of the new one here, so you guys can actually get to see what the new one entails and all the intricate little things that comes with that. And I'm also gonna leave the link of the new wireless stand in the description below as well, so you guys can actually get one for yourself if you guys are interested in buying one. Of course, like I said, everything that I review is stuff that I've purchased. No brand actually sends me stuff, so I can actually review them and give them a favorable review. This Yootech wireless stand lasted me 5 years, so I think I got my money's worth out of that. It's actually a great investment, to say the least. So I'm not mad at all that this one is actually dying or it's dead. I'm actually quite happy. I was quite happy with it until about a week ago. So now it's time for us to move to bigger and better things. So stay tuned while I bring in the new one into effect and plug it in and show you guys exactly how this one works. The new one will work and how different they are from one another. So as of right now, this is the new one. It's still in its box. It's sleep friendly, so it doesn't make any noise. This one was making noises. That's the reason why this one is replacing it. Obviously, as it got older, started making noises coming from back here somewhere, and I didn't want any fire or any mishap to happen, so therefore it's time to retire this one. And for example, the new Yootech is overcharge protection. So that means once your device gets charged to 100%, this automatically shuts off and it no longer charges your device because it's full of charge. And the wireless stand here does not have a model number on the box, but I'll be sure to find that. Actually, it's a X2. It's the updated. Sorry about that. It does have the model number on the box. It's actually right here, X2, right underneath my thumb right there. So that's pretty much that in a nutshell. So we're gonna go ahead and open the box and see what it entails and get it to charge our devices and my device, to say the least. There we go. Just open up the box. Like I said, it's sleep friendly, overheat protection, and it's case friendly as well. It won't melt your case in any way, shape, or form. And this is it. That's the difference between the two. One is a little rounded, the other one's a little square. And the other difference is, if you look here, this one is a USB-C, which means it'll be able to charge new technology of this era. And that's that. And inside of it only comes the instruction manual. That's it. So practically, it comes in telling you you can only use slim cases within 4 millimeters. Anything over 4 millimeters will have a hard time charging. And metal cases are not okay. Magnetic pads are not okay also to charge it with. I think those are fire hazards anyway, so I don't have any of that stuff on it. And there's a charge cable that comes with this, and it doesn't come with a brick. It actually tells you to use the phone adapter brick, which is what I have, so I'm going to be using that. Any inferior brick could be a problem for it. Any inferior cable could also be a problem for it as well. And as far as the back of it, there's a little LED light in the front of it. Looks like, sorry, as far as the front of it, I meant to say, there's a little LED light in front of the Model X2 Yootech charger that will indicate you if it's charging or not. So we're gonna put all of that stuff to the test. So let's try it out now, all right? So practically what I'm gonna do is plug my USB-C wire in the back of my Yootech wireless charger like so. And this is the LED light ring at the bottom right there. This little gray strip. If you look at the gray strip that's there, that's the LED light ring. So I'm gonna go ahead and move that over here and see if I can get it plugged in back there, because I have a brick already and everything else ready. So bear with me for a second while I get it plugged in. This cord is a little short, to say the least, but we'll see what happens from there. So this is a good brick right here, solid size brick that actually is from Yootech as well. This brick will actually work with this perfectly, because it was working with the one that I had before, this one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this away, retire this, and trash it, and plug this one in. So now you can see the bottom of it is green. As you can see there, it's lighting green once you first plug it in. And let's try it out. And just like that, it's charging. So now I have a fully charging wireless charging pad again. And I'm extremely elated about that. I want you guys to check out the description below where the link of this product will be. And don't forget to like if you like this video. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions for me. And also be sure to subscribe as well if you want to see some great videos like this in the future as well. Enjoy, guys. Have a great day. Peace. See, even the fish is happy.